Sa mundo ng basketball, undefeated pa rin ang De La Salle University sa UAAP Season 87 Men's Basketball. Hindi nagpatinag ang Green Archers sa rival team nitong Ateneo de Manila University at tinambakan sa naging laro nila kagabi sa pangungunayan ni reigning MVP Kevin Cambao. Ang buong detalye panoorin sa report na ito. Nananatiling malinis ang record ng De La Salle University sa elimination round ng UAAP Season 87 Men's Basketball. Yan ay matapos nitong dominahin ang rival na Ateneo de Manila University in a huge gap 74-61 final score. Dikdikan ang naging laban sa unang dalawang quarter, ending the first half with 44-40. Pero pagpasok ng third quarter, nalimitahan ng Green Archers ang Blue Eagles with just 4 points while scoring 15 points.
That we come out there with all of our hearts, be strong enough and be courageous enough because we need everybody's help. We were pressured along the way at the start. We have a new team also, except for these veterans. But I just told them, once you decide to get out of this dugout, you have to make sure that you're ready to slug it out with them. So just change of perspective and change of mindset. I guess that was the key for the third quarter.
Magandang depensa ang ipinakita ng La Salle with reigning MVP Kevin Cambao almost having triple-double with 13 points, 13 rebounds, and 7 assists.
I think yung mindset na coming into this game na kailangan ko lang mag-step up and then nung game medyo binatuan kami ng break defense ng Ateneo, binaboxin mo nila ako the whole game. Sabi ko lang sa mga kasama ko, sa mga teammates ko na be ready lang dahil may mga moments na kayo malilibre, dapat may confidence kayo to take that shot and then be disciplined lang. Madami pa kaming na-learn din sa laro na to tulad ng mga turnovers namin napakadami. So, kaya yung mga kailangan namin work on moving forward.
Nag-step up din sa scoring sa Mike Phillips with 13 points and 14 rebounds. Susubukan ng La Salle na mapanatili ang kanilang perfect run sa laban kontra winless University of the East sa linggo, habang patuloy pa ring susubukan ng Ateneo na makuha ang unang panalo sa laro laban sa Adamson University sa Sabado.